I thought I'd show easy DIY 3D printed track saw update for Milwaukee. Basically, you've got like a plate or a shoe, and they all come with, whether it's Milwaukee, whatever brand, a place for a parallel guide. And I wanted to be able to use it on this track saw. So first thing I did was basically just make another full-size plate. It's mirrored, so it just friction fits into these nice little slots we've got there. And then after you use it for a while, kind of realize there's a lot of material there you don't need. So make a smaller version, just that's all you need. And then use that for a while. And you realize, well, I've got this nice parallel guide slot, which I've been using, but might as well use it the way they intended it and save even a little less material. You can see we just keep getting less and less and less material. Easier and easier and easier. Just buy some inexpensive bar stock in your home center, and it can screw in, you can cinch it down, and it will ride on your track. It's got a little left and right play, but it stays parallel very well. And you just got to get the spacing right so that it's right on your splinter guard and doesn't cut it differently than any of your other saws. But there's that. Now for some action shots.